welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to share with you a complete review of the nail drill that I bought from Amazon, and I thought you will like it because as I'm a beginner I never use nail drill, so I thought why not to share a review with you. So I bought this one and it got like different functions. It's a full kit, so it's gonna be just perfect for the beginners. It's got the forward directions, the reverse direction, it's low in noise and also low vibration. So this is how it's look from inside, and it got all the tools that you need, all the bits that you need, and you don't need to buy them separately. As you can see, it's come in this tiny box and they are well organized, so you don't need to worry about them. And there are different nail bits that you can use. There's the one to remove the shine, another one to remove the cuticles, and also to remove the gel and all that kind of stuff. So if you want to use the one that you were to remove the shine, just gonna take out the nail bit and you're gonna put them over that one. And don't mind my nail coming out from the gloves because that's pretty long, so don't mind that one. And it got like different nail bits, so you don't need to worry about the quantity or to buy them separately because you're already getting them inside the kit. So it's actually perfect for beginners, and this is the first thing that you get. Then the next thing that you receive inside the box is another toolkit, and it's got like slight different one. There is one to remove the cuticles, another one to remove the gel. I never use them, to be honest, so I still need to figure them out. And I saw some nail tech to use them, so I have like slightly idea on what they gonna be used for. And I think and this kit got most of the tools, most of the bits that you need to use with the nail drill. And this is the second toolkit. The third thing that you get is this nail drill. It's in rose gold color and it's really small, so it's easy to carry, so you can carry it with you if you're traveling. And it's got a USB cable, so you don't need to worry about having an adapter or not. And then it's got a different speed, forward direction, backward direction, on, off, and then the speed. And then you're just gonna use the USB plug to plug in. The first thing that it gave you are again the bits to remove the shiny layers, so you don't need to worry about that because you're getting plenty of them. And then last thing that you get is a little manual where they say how to use it, how to remove it, and what you need to do and what you don't need to do. And they also give an explanation of the nail bits that they included and what's their purpose and how you're gonna use the nail bit and how you don't gonna use it. So I'm just gonna show you one of those, and what you're gonna do is just gonna push with enough power inside the nail drill. And once you've done that, just plug in the button to go in off, forward direction or backward direction, and you can clearly see that it's really going very well. And then you can change the speed using that circular button, so you're just going to increase it or decrease it according to your need. So here I'm just going to showing you how it works, and from what I'm seeing I think it works pretty well. Like, it's removing the shiny layer easily, it's not heavy. One of the things that they promised that it's not going to be heavy. And again, it's very low in noise because I had another nail drill and that was really noisy. I didn't like that because it just gives you headache. Like, if you're working for hours continuously and hearing again and again that sound, that's just going to give you headache. And again, the next thing that I noticed is that it's not vibrating that much, because I remember that last time that I bought another nail drill and my hands were still feeling that vibration even after a few hours. So I was still like feeling I have my nail drill in my hand, and that wasn't a like good experience. But this one is actually low in vibration, so you don't need to worry about that. So here you can see that it's moved the tiny layer very well. And once you're done, you can usually to remove the nail bit, you're just gonna take it out with enough power so that you can actually take it out whole. And if you want to use another bit, then you're just gonna push them again in, and then you're good to go. So I think this is actually perfect for beginners. And if you liked it, you can buy it from Amazon. I will leave the link in description box. And this is it for today's video. I hope you liked it, and I will see you very soon. Bye.